So now the next problem is on escape velocity. It is find the escape velocity of an atmospheric particle 1600 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer, and the value of acceleration due to gravity, that is small g here, it is 9.8 meter per second square. Now we have to find the escape velocity. We have the formula for escape velocity as root 2 root of 2gm upon r. Correct. So that is equal to root of 2 into g into r, because my g is gm upon r square. Correct. Now here, now at that height, I would say v. Now this is escape velocity we are dealing with, so I am going to call this at vh. That is equal to root of 2 into g h into r plus h, because radius of orbit at that height is r plus h, and we have to find h here. Correct. So now, but then what is the relation between gh and g? We have gh upon g is equal to r square upon r plus h square. Correct. So my gh is equal to g r square upon r plus h square. So if we substitute this over here with this value, this would become root over 2 into g r square upon r plus h square, and that multiplied by r plus h here, right? So then that would be, I can cancel a square sign here with this, and I would get root over 2 g r square upon r plus h. Now h is given. I'm going to write h is equal to 1600 kilometer, and my r is 6400 kilometer. G is 9.8 meter per second square. So if you substitute that here, it is going to be, now see, you have to do one thing here. 1600 and 6400, they are in kilometer. You have to convert that into meter, because here it is square of r, and here it is the power of r plus h is 1. Correct. So if you have to get your velocity in some proper units like meter per second, then both dimensions on both the sides have to match. Correct. So then this would be equal to root over 2 into 9.8 into 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 square divided by r plus h. Now 6400 plus 1600, that is 8000. So it would be 8 into 10 raised to power 6. So now that is going to get simplified as root over 2 into 9.8 into 6.4 square into 10 raised to power 12 minus 6. So 10 raised to power 6 here, and that divided by 8 here. Now when you simplify this, how much it is going to be? Now it is 2 into 9.8, so that is 19.6. That divided by 8. Now this 6.4 square, it can come out of the square root sign. So it would be 6.4 into root over 2 into 9.8 upon 8 into 10 raised to the power 6. So that is going to become that 10 raised to the power 6 is going to become 10 raised to the power 3 here, and then this whole thing, it is going to be equal to 6.4 into it would be how much? It would be something like 10, okay, because this whole thing is going to become 100. So this will be something like 10.02. Now I know this answer, so I can write it directly as 10.02 into 10 raised to the power 3 meter per second. So I can simply say that escape velocity of this particle at a height 1600 km above Earth's surface is going to be equal to 10.02 km per second. So that is all about this problem. In the next video we are going to see one more problem. Thank you so much.